Hey everyone, it's Realtor Ferris Tarazi with Tarazi Fine Homes and Estates. Welcome to Silver Bow Road. This beautifully upgraded pool and spa home offers 3 bedrooms, over 1,600 square feet of living space, a spacious living room with a gas-burning fireplace, a kitchen with tile backsplash, upgraded tile flooring throughout the home, a master suite with a walk-in closet, upgraded master bath and backyard access, and a private garden-like backyard with a pool, spa, 2 covered patios, palm trees, and tall block walls. Let's take a look. Thank you so much for watching this tour of Silver Bow Road. For more information, or for your own private showing, give me a call at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters.